Welcome back to Future Bike Hub 09, where we explore future machines and legendary designs. Today we are taking a look at a true icon reborn, the new Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 2025. The Land Cruiser FJ40 has always been known for strength, reliability, and unstoppable off-road performance. In 2025, Toyota brings this legendary name back with a perfect mix of classic design and modern technology. Design. The new FJ40 keeps its classic, boxy shape with round headlights and a bold stance, inspired by the original model. At the same time, modern LED lighting, aggressive styling, and premium finishes give it a fresh and futuristic look. This car looks powerful from every angle. Interior. Inside, the FJ40 offers a rugged yet modern cabin, a digital instrument cluster, large infotainment screen, and high-quality materials make the interior both practical and comfortable. It's designed for adventure, without forgetting modern comfort. Performance. The 2025 Land Cruiser FJ40 is built for serious off-roading, with advanced four-wheel drive, strong suspension, and powerful engine options. This vehicle can handle rough terrains with confidence. This is a machine you can trust anywhere. Safety and tech. Despite its old-school look, the FJ40 includes modern safety features like adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and multiple airbags. It proves that toughness and safety can go together. Final thoughts. The new Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 2025 is more than just a car. It's a legacy brought into the future. Perfect for adventure, lovers and off-road enthusiasts who want something bold and timeless. Outro. That's it for today on Future Bike Hub 09. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future cars and bikes. Turn on the notification bell and stay future ready. Future Bike Hub 09, signing off.